Hi all and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, let's discuss about how to customize your website in Odoo 40. So one can customize a website using a lot of options provided in Odoo. So when you open website module, here you can directly go to website. So here you can see all the created pages. You can see the menus created like home, shop, events. So if you have installed event module, you can see events and you can create forum, blogs, then you can see courses. Then we have contact us page for your website. So some of the menus are automatically created, pages are automatically created when you install website, and some other modules like events, e-learning and all. So you can create a new page direct, that is from here, from the website. Now also you can create a new page from the backend. So if you want to create a page from here, you can just click on this new, and from here you can see the option to create a new page. And not only creating a page, we can create a blog post directly, and we can create event, can create new product, forum, job offer, can create new course and appointment form. So when you click on this new page, you can see option to add a new page to your website, like special events. And if you want to add a menu to your web page, you can just enable this option and continue. So when you click continue, you can see that menu page is created, and you can see the menu here, that is special events. And you can see options to add customization to your website. That is, you can change the layout of your page. So for that, we can add blocks, just drag and drop blocks to your page. From here, you can see a lot of options. In 14 itself, there are a lot of options. So we have done some videos on different snippets available in website, like chart snippet, then product catalog, then countdown widget and all. So you can check those videos if you want to know more about these widgets. So if you want to add those to your website, just click on this and drag it to your page. So you can see the product catalog. Product catalog means price list snippet. So after adding blogs, you can also see some options to make style options. So this style option is new in Odoo 14. That is, when you click on object, you can see some styling options for that object. So you can style a page, and also you can add styling for the objects. So yeah, you can see columns for this main course. You can see column options. Then you can change the background height, width, column uh, for that. And when you click on this menu also, you can see some options for that. And when you click on this block, for that also you can see some options. And here you can see some additional option to customize your theme. That is, you can change the theme. So when you click on this, you can see theme colors, theme options like font styling, button styling, then input settings, website settings and all. So after adding those, just save this. So we also have done a video that is on how to create pages and change layout. So just watch that, and if you want to know more about it. So after this, just if you want to publish this page, just click on this, and you can see that you have published your page. Then here you can find some options, that is, in order to edit menu, manage pages, and there are we can see the page property. So when you click on this edit menu, you can see here, we can delete menu, we can edit a menu, particular menu. So here you can see all the menus, and from here here we can add new menu item, or we can add new mega menu item to your page. And you can see an option that is manage pages, just to manage your pages. So from here you can see all the pages, all the menus, page name, then URL of that page, and you can see some options like is the page including the main menu. So you can see a thank you page, and you can see thank you recruitment page, and a lot of pages are not included in main menu. And you can see an option that is a page published or not. So if it is not published, you can see the cross mark here, and you can also see is a page indexed by search engine. Then you can see another option that is a page SEO optimized. So you can see all the SEO optimized pages. And here we have option that is for settings, that is in order to manage this page. So when you click on that, you can see the name, page name, then page URL. Then here we have publish tab, where we can see some options like show in top menu, use as home page, whether to use as home page. So if you're using a page as home page, an icon will be seen after that, that is a home icon. Then you can see whether it is indexed or published. Then publishing date can be added here. Then we can set the visibility of the page, whether it is visible to public or visible to signed in person only. Then we can add visibility to some users. So when you choose some users, you can find here an option to add the user type group here. So here you can see user type, internal users can view this. Then we can also set visibility when you end up using a password. So I'm not setting that. I'm just setting the visibility as public. Then here we can find option to go to page, then duplicate the page or delete the page. And after that, making changes, you can save this if you want to change the page properties. Then here we have option to optimize SEO of this page directly from here. And you can see the code in background, and you have an option to clone this page and delete this page. Then it is also possible to search here your pages. So you can also sort these according to by URL and also by name. Okay, then here we have our page. Okay, so when you choose one page, here we can see the properties of the page. So when you are inside a page, you can directly go to the page properties from here. So here when I choose my shop, yeah, I can see my products, on my products, product name, price, and all. And you can see the option to search my product, search a product in this shop, e-commerce shop. And I can change the currency. Here I can change the page, and we have grid view, and we also have a list view. So we can also sort this products according to that is catalog price from high to low, then low to high. Then we can sort by name, that is A to Z and Z to A. So according to that, you can see the change here. And we can go to next page. Just click on this next. Then from here, you can see some more options, that is to customize your e-commerce shop from here. That is here you can see. So this is available for all pages, that is HTML or CSS, JS editor, and can add features. And you can see some option for your shop, that is so you can see some options for your, that is customization for your products item. That is we can add this option to see add to cart option in your shop. So you can see directly from here we can add a product to cart. So then you can see option that is comparison list. So when you enable this option, you can see option 2, that is compare product. compare products, their prices and all. And under customization, you can see an option that is to add product description. So when you click on this, you can see description, small description will be added to the product. So here you can see that for each product some description. When you just keep your mouse over it, you can see office chairs can harm your floor, protect it. And when you click on this, you can make change to your description. So this is our description for the product. So just click on the edit, that is edit this product, and you can make changes here. That is, you can change the description from here and save it. So right now I'm not changing that. Then we have option like, so when you come back to your shop, you can find option that is wish list button. So we can add products to your wish list. So here when you put your mouse over the product, you can see option to add this product to wish list. So when you click on this, you can see it is added to wish list. And when you click on that, you can see this chair floor protection is added. And from here, if you want to remove this from wish list, you can just remove from here. And if you want to add this product to cart, just add to cart. And you can also find an option to add product to my cart, but keep it in my wish list. Mm, let me that. Then here we have option to see grid or list button. So here we have that those buttons. So when you click on this list, you can see the list view of products, and when you click on this, you can see the grid view of products. Then we have option that is list view by default. So you can set list view by default. So I'm not enabling that. Let me disable it. So you can enable that option if you want your e-commerce shop with the list view, with the list view as default. Then we have option that is to add product attributes filters. So when you enable that you can see you can filter products by attributes. So you can see some of the attributes like legs, color, duration, size, gender, and all. So when you click on this color, you can see according to that attributes, you can see the products. So you can see the product. Then we have an option that is to show sort by. So it is possible to sort your products. So it can be, we have seen before that we can sort your products from high to low price, low to high price, then according to alphabets, that is from A to Z or Z to A. Then we have option to filter, that is we can see all the created e-commerce categories. So when you enable that option, on the side, you can see all the categories. So here we have desk, furniture, boxes, drawers, lot of categories. So when you choose all products, you can see all the products in every categories. And here when you choose the furnitures, you can see all the products under this category furnitures. So you can see there are 4 products. So if a customer want to view only furnitures, it is so simple. He can directly click on this option, that is this category, and he can view all the furnitures he needed, and from here he can add product to cart. Then here we can also find an option to track visitor when he visits a shop. Then we have option that is collapsible category list. So you can see that here. So when you click on this desk, you can see unfold each category. You can see that options here. Under furnitures, we have chairs, couches. So you can collapse the product categories. Then when you click on a product, here we have a lot more options like automatic image zoom option, and you can see alternative products are all automatically enabled, already enabled. So you can see all the alternative products for this product, and here we can enable automatic image zoom. So when you enable that, we have an option to zoom your product. Then you have an option to see the buy now button. So when you enable that, you can see that button, that is to directly buy this product from here without adding to cart. You can directly buy this product. So you can see the payment page, can see the address directly from here. We can pay the product, pay for this product. Then you can see an option that is discussion and rating. So it is possible for customers to add suggestions, or they can rate the product. So here you can see that option. So from here you can see the average rating, average comments for this product, and can see number of percentage of 5 stars, 4 stars. Can see from here. So from here we can add. Uh, then here we have an option that is product attributes table. That is when you enable that, here you can see specification for customizable desk. So you can see that steel or aluminum or custom. You can see the attribute and the corresponding values. So when you disable this product attributes table, you will not be able to see those that option. Then we can also see the recently viewed products. So when you enable this, you can see all the recently viewed products. So here below you can see that those products. Then we have option that is to select quantity. So we can change the quantity. Then we have option that is show extra fields. Then we can also view terms and conditions of your product. So when you enable this, you can see terms and condition of your product. You can see for this product, 30-day money back guarantee, shipping 2 to 3 business days. Then we can see wish list button for this product. You can see that button here. Then track visitor for this product. So these are the options available when you choose a product. And if you want to create a new product and add customization to that, just click on edit, not edit, just click on. And if you want to create a new product and add customization to that, just click on new and you can see option to add a new product. So here we have option to create new product. and just click continue. So when you click continue, you can see that page it is created. So we haven't set a price for this product, and we haven't set an image for this product. So if you want to set that, you can edit this product and you can add blocks, you can add stylings. So we can from here we can change the product price. So after adding making changes, just save this. So you can see product is created and we can directly publish from here. And you can add features for your page. So these are the customization that is available in Odoo in order to customize your web page, website.
If you're interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.